What do you got for us today for tech tip, Brice?
Broken connectors or any broken plastic pieces in general. If you have any broken connectors or plastic and you go and get yourself a plastic welding kit, they come with a welding rod. Those are very, very soft. They suck. They don't hold, especially in the heat. They just kind of gump up. So take old zip tie. Zip ties, the compound in them, 10 times stronger. They hold 10, 15 pounds. Melt them down, fill up your cracks, and melt it all together, and you are golden back, good to go. Stronger than before.
Nice, and this works on all types of plastics?
Almost
or
every single plastic you can think of. Anything other than vinyl.
And you had a lot of, you've done this a lot to know that it'll hold and everything's good?
Over 10 years in car audio, you break clips and you figure out how to make stuff work and fix things again, especially when things are discontinued.
Sweet. So this is all tried and true?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Thank you.
No problem.